and this is my story. So this goes way back in time when I was in nursery, and they used to teach us the basic stuff like how to write the alphabets and how to write the numbers. I wasn't good at it. I was a bit slow in learning or how to draw it. So like take for instance how you normally would draw S, I would tend to draw it in its mirror image. So the teachers kind of could not understand what was up with me. A few of them thought I did it on purpose, but I didn't. You know, during the beginning stages of school, they kind of push you through. They're not strict. They tend to be lenient. So I happened to clear nursery, go to KG1, KG2, and then I reached primary school. And that's when things got tough because we had additional languages like Hindi and Arabic. As it was, I was not able to learn the English language. I couldn't write the letters, I couldn't write the numbers. So I was in 3rd grade, and I remember the Hindi teacher asked us to learn a poem and come the next day to recite it. So I was not keen on studying. I went to school the next day, and when they called out my roll number, I just stood still. So she thought I was being stubborn, but actually I was kind of frightened. And I knew I was not capable at that point in time. So she kind of got angry at me, and then she went to the supervisor's room, called my mom. So my mom was at work at that point in time. She called my mom and she told her that I was disobeying her and that I didn't learn the poem. So my mom left her work and she came to school. And I remember very clearly that she took a stand for me. And she told the teacher that try being soft and calm with her because she's a slow learner. But I don't think that got registered in her mind. So I somehow managed to clear the 3rd grade. So we had a parent-teachers meeting, and she happened to tell my mom during the parent-teachers meeting that we can't do much about this girl, and I don't think she has a future. She might not be able to clear primary school. After getting all these bad feedbacks from all my teachers. So luckily I happened to clear 4th grade, but with not so great marks, and I reached high school. So 5th grade was tough because that's when I started studying on my own, and I happened to fail in my classes. And yeah, the same usual stuff, students making fun, thinking that I'm not capable. I started understanding how to get through it. And finally I reached the crucial year, 10th grade, and people thought that maybe I won't be able to get through that phase as well, but I guess that was the time I really thought I should prove myself. And I happened to score 83% in my 10th grade, which was kind of a shocker to a lot of people, my teachers as well as my friends, because they were like, oh my god, we didn't expect her to do something like this, but I kind of did. And this was the time I was like, you know what, after this, I need to make hardcore life decisions, especially when it came to my higher studies. So I was like, if I don't study now, then I might just end up nowhere. So again, I put my head to it. I worked really hard, and finally the day came when our results were coming out. And I remember calling up my friend. I gave her my roll number and I asked her to check my marks, and I was really scared because I didn't know what to expect. She entered my roll number and there was a pause, and I freaked out because I thought, okay, maybe I didn't get through. And I was like, gosh, now I don't know what am I going to say my mom. I'll have to call her up and tell her that, listen, I didn't clear, I'll have to repeat the year. And then I asked my friend what happened, did I not clear? And she was like, you scored 91%. And I was shocked. She read out my marks. It was 73, 95, 90, 95, 100. So the shocking part was I scored 100 in a theory subject, and I was taken aback because I didn't expect to hear something like that. So I immediately kept the call, and I called up my mom and I told her my marks, and she was stunned. She was really happy that all the efforts I put in, it came through. This is what the story is all about. My teachers thought I was not capable to get through in life because they really thought it's all subject to studies, that life is all about studying and there's nothing beyond it. They thought that I had nothing to offer just because I'm not good at studying, right? But I was more than that. So I really wanted to go back and find my Hindi teacher just to show and tell her that, see what I've done. And I went back to school and my teachers were rejoiced to see me. They took me to all the classes and they set me as an example, which I never thought would ever happen in my life. So yeah, I kind of proved that that I'm capable and that I have it in me, and that people should not underestimate me just because I wasn't good at something at one point in time. And I'm very happy that I could prove them wrong.